Hello, everyone, and welcome to Stockology. Today is 20th of March 2025, and if as you can see how the market went today, by Nifty 50 went 283 points up, Sensex almost 900, and Bank Nifty 360, and it seems all good for now. Today, which we are going to see is one of the most traded share. It is KEC International. And right now the price of the KEC is 831.1, which is 65.70 rupees up, which is almost 9%. Is 8.58% right now it is showing. And today's high and low was 773 and 848. And 52-week high is 1313.25. So not bad. And 48% are buying at according to the experts rating. So market cap 20,000 crore, 20,362 crore, P by E ratio 44.81, P by E ratio is like profit per sorry price of the price per earnings, right? And P by B ratio is 4.03. Industry P by E ratio is 26.04, and EPS earning per share is 17.07, and ROE is 8.34, not bad. If you look at the revenue, it is going up, profit and net worth as well. So that's a really good one. And there is not much of a difference in here. You can see there is a little bit increase in the foreign institutions, mutual fund a little bit decrease, so as the promoters, and retail dealers has a little bit went out of the market, maybe because of the recent because of the recent movement of the market as we have seen recently. So let's look at one of the best thing which we always go for, and that is the chart, which is the important part for us to trade. We always start with the month. As you can see here, this is the highest point. In case of month, this is going to be our resistance. As I already told you, the highest point is usually the starting point for us. Then we come down and see the other possibilities, and the recent low is this one. We can go with the recent high, and if you look at that, this is going to be our recent high as well. We can go here and here as well according to our understanding, but as of now I will avoid that, and we'll directly jump into the weeks. And if you look in weeks, it is how it is looking. We can put this one. As you can see, I have already told you multiple times, we usually look for those lines or those resistance or support which has multiple point of contact. At here, if you can look, there are 2 to 3 point of contact here, 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 and here it work as a resistance, here it work as a support. So that could work as our one of the key element, and so is this one. It has worked 2 times as our support and resistance, so that's a good one, not bad. Nope, no. We can go for this one. It has worked as a support twice. We can go with this one. We can go with this one, but I will not. Not with this. We can go with this one because of the obvious reason. Okay. We found some of the possible entries and exits. Now we look in days. Okay. In days, we usually go for the point which are the recent high and the recent low. So it will give us a little bit of idea where our price is heading. So at this point, you can see this is the recent low, And if you talk about the recent high, this is going to be our recent high, this one or this one. So we are going to make this one as our resistance here, obviously. If you ask about the recent low, I'll say this is the recent low, but we already had two supports here. So we are not going to consider any other recent low here. So we also going to check it in candles. And if you look at it in candles, you can see that there is a huge volume here on this part. So that's a good sign. And if you go back here, you can see these kind of volume really help your share to grow up. Like this one, the market was almost like here in this situation, here here in the middle, you can see market was almost flat here, but after this increase in the volume, market went up and it has shown a sign of going up. So these kind of things which are unusual lines, which a lot of volume, really shows us that the market has got some good vibes, some good, like, people are interested in buying this particular stock. So it has also given us a really good idea that this share is going to go up. And I have already told you this is going to be our resistance here. If you want to be much more cautious, then you can put this one as well, but I'll go with this one as my resistance and this one as my support. So my resistance is going to be 844.7. I'm going to set in front of you 844.7. And if you talk about the resistance, I'll go with 859. I'll go with 859. 759. 759 is going to work as my support. 759. Okay. Okay. So right now we have seen where is going to be our exit and entry in case of KCE Internationals. There are other shares I'm also going to look forward to and tell you about them as the market goes in the recent days. And I think I will continue looking on those shares which are showing the possibility of, like, uh, the day's high share or the day's low share, because those shares has a potential of doing swing trading as well as intraday in some places. Like, uh, some shares has a like tendency of going half for the one day and going down in the next. So these shares can be used as for the intraday, but those shares can also be used for swing trading in a long term. So thanks for watching Stockology, and see you in the next video. And if you want to ask any question, you can just mention in the comment, and when I'll read them, I'm going to answer them as deeply as possible for your understanding and for the clarity. Thank you.